Hi, welcome to Recipecheckr. Today I have in the menu the Gajar Ka Halwa, which is a very simple but a very popular Indian sweet dish. Gajar Ka Halwa means it's carrot halwa, and it is a very popular and quick sweet which people can make at home. Today, the key tips which I'm going to give you and show you is there are many ways to cook the carrot and then making the halwa. But today we make it more richer. I'm going to use milk to cook the whole carrot. So once the pan is getting warm, I've taken the peeled and grated carrot, probably about half a kilo carrot which I've taken, and this is the quantity I'm getting. I'm going to add the required quantity of milk. Usually the milk is enough to submerge the carrot. Usually it's 1:1 ratio. So if you add more milk, it takes little time to cook. I have kept it on a simmer. So this will take about 10 to 15 minutes for the carrot to get cooked, and then it reduces into a tight consistency. At that time, we're going to add sugar. So we'll wait for this to get cooked. Now you can see the carrot is nicely getting boiled and cooked in the milk, and it's about 5-6 minutes now. It's just getting and foaming up and boiling. So this has to continue for another 5 to 6 minutes till the carrot is completely cooked and it'll get reduced to a tight consistency, and we wait till then, we wait for it. And you can obviously make sure you just stir it, and make sure if you are not using the non-stick cookware, make sure that you keep an eye that it is not getting burnt at the bottom, and you have to keep it on ultimate simmer of your burner. Now you can see the milk is reduced, and absolutely you can see only the cooked carrot, and it took exactly around about 14 minutes now, and it was in an absolute simmer, and I can feel the raw flavor of the carrot is gone, and now it's absolutely and fully cooked in the milk. Now I'm going to add the sugar. I said earlier, I have taken about for half a kilo of carrot, I've taken about 100 grams of sugar. So once I add the sugar, usually the mix will get loosen up, and then it get tighten again, because once the sugar get melted, then the consistency will change. So this will take for another 4 to 5 minutes. Now we can see, because of the sugar, once it's got melted, the whole mixture is got little loose. In a few minutes, it will become tight again. So now you can see that the mix is getting really tight now, and I'm going to add probably about 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. The condensed milk will give you the kind of a richness. So I'm adding probably about 1.5 tablespoon of ghee, and I'm going to give a good stir. Even if you want to add the kova to give you a bit of a richness, you can always do that. Since I've added the condensed milk, I'm not adding the kova, and I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and about 2 pinches of roasted and powdered saffron. So I can feel the real Gajar Ka Halwa, the carrot halwa flavor, and it is ready now. The ideal garnish for this is roasted cashew nuts, which I have already with me. I'm going to transfer into a serving bowl, and I'm going to garnish it and serve it. And thank you so much for watching, and please do try this recipe at home, and leave us a comment and like the video and share it with your friends, and please do subscribe the channel. And I look forward to see you soon with another recipe. Thank you so much.